hair transplant today because I'm going slightly bald at the age of 23. I chose MCAN because of all the good reviews I've heard, and my girlfriend said they're spot on. So here we go. Everything's good, no pain. Just the worst bit of the injections and then feel nothing. Happy with the results at the moment. It's not too sore at all. The staff were great, nice clean hospital, and I can't wait to see the next few months, see how it develops, and have nice locks. Staff were great, got me some food, nice pizza, can of Coke, lovely. I was recommended through Jasmine, and I'd definitely recommend if someone needed surgery to come here, because it was easy to deal with. The staff were helpful and they got the job done quickly.
Was the operation painful?
No, I had initially the needleless little jabs and then the local anaesthetic, and no, there was a little slight pinch, but after that it was absolutely fine. Didn't feel any of the procedure and it went smooth.
What do you think about MCAN quality standards?
Yeah, it was very good standard. I'm happy with it as well. They checked everything before the operation and then after, make sure I was happy, and I'm over the moon with the result at the moment.
You think it is safe to have it done during COVID-19 days?
Absolutely. All the staff got their masks on, everyone's covered up properly, and also myself, whilst I was having the operation, had the mask on too. So it went great.